Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz here. In this video, we are going to learn how to replace missing values with mean, median and mode in SPSS. First, we will identify the missing values in our dataset. Then I will practically demonstrate how to calculate the mean, median and mode and use them to replace missing values. The mean is generally used for numeric data without serious extreme values. The median is more suitable when the data are skewed or contain outliers. The mode is commonly considered for categorical or frequently repeated responses. SPSS provides the series mean option directly in SPSS. For the median and mode, we will first calculate the required value and then replace the missing observations manually. Remember, selecting the correct replacement method is important because an inappropriate method can change your results and reduce the quality of your analysis. So that's why we will manually make and replace the missing values with mean, median and mode. Watch until the end to understand the complete process through a practical example. If you want to learn SPSS step by step in simple language, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Now let us start the video. Okay, so first of all we see how many missing values in each survey question. We will click on analyze and then we will go for descriptive statistic to frequencies. We will put all variables in variable set and then click on OK. So you can see there is no missing value in age, there is no missing value in gender, occupation, but we have three missing values in question 1, three missing values in question 10, 7 missing values in question 11 as well you can see. Okay, so second, we need to calculate the mean, median and mode to replace missing values by mean, median, and mode. We will click on analyze, then descriptive statistics, then click on frequencies. We can reset the variable set, then we can put only some questions so that we can easily make the video and make you understand how to replace values, missing values by mean, median and mode. You can take question 1, question 2 and question 3. So we can click on statistics, we need mean, median and mode. Click on OK. So now we have mean for question 1, median for question 2 and 1 and mode for question 1, 2 and 3. So it means we have mean, median and mode for question 1, question 2 and question 3. So now we will manually put the missing values by mean, median and mode value of question 1, question 2 and question 3. Okay, we need to go to dataset, data view, where we will click on transform, then we will click on read into same variable. You can see here the missing values, right? So we have just taken 3 survey questions, question 1, question 2, question 3, so that we can put replacement in question 1, median replacement in question 2, and mode replacement in question 3. So first of all, we are going to do this by clicking on transform, then click on read code into single. So we can see question 1 and put this in variable set, then click on old and new values, So it means if there is missing value, so it we don't have any value. So we will click on system user missing. It means there is no value, so it means there is system missing or user missing. So what was the mean value of question? We need to see here. So you can see the mean value of question 1 is 3.21. So we will go back to old and new values. We will put this system at our user missing. Then this missing value will change into new value. Mean value 3.21 as we have calculated by descriptive statistics to frequencies. So we edit this value. So we have successfully made missing value to 3.21, which was the mean of question. So we'll click on continue. Click on OK. So you can see here there was missing value. So SPSS automatically replaced this missing value with 4. So if we put the decimal place, so we can see it easily. I hope it show the decimal so that we can identify the actual value, because the SPSS automatically round the value by using the decimal. No, it will not allow. So it means we have successfully replaced missing values with mean score at each survey. So now we are going to do to replace missing values in question 2 by median level. So we will click on and click on record the same data. So we will click on question 2 and put in variable set. Then same condition, because there was system or user missing, only value we need to identify what was the median of question 3. So first of all, we need to remove this. So we can see here there was one median of question 2, so we will replace 1 with missing value in question. There was a system or user missing, and we will replace 1 as a median. We will use this. Click on continue. Click on OK. So SPSS automatically converted all missing values by 1, because this was the median of question 2. So now we are going to replace missing value by mod. So I will do it for question 3 because there was missing value. So first of all, we'll see what was the question 3. There was 1 for question 3, so we will put 1 to all missing values. We need to save the file. Then we put the transform. Then we code it the same variables. We need to select question 3 and drop in variable set. Then click on old and new values. There was system and user missing. Then we will change this missing value to 1. Then click on add and click on continue. Click on OK. So we have successfully replaced all missing values in question 3 by more. So we have successfully learned that how we replaced missing values by mean, median, and mode.